Sayang nga lang kasi hindi siya pumunta, she could have at least defended that and explained to the plenary and convinced the members why she needed that 200 plus increase. Unfortunately, no explanation at all. For the current NEP in 2026, the Office of the Vice President, I believe the increase of I think 200 million pesos would on the consultancy fees at saka yung mga additional supplies. So, sayang nga lang kasi hindi siya pumunta, she could have at least defended that and explained to the plenary and convinced the members why she needed that 200 plus increase. Unfortunately, no explanation at all. That's why sa amin, my working draft would still be on the 700 million pesos. So I get, yes, you're correct. Nung time po ni former Vice President Leni Robredo, resourceful ko si former Vice President Leni Robredo, no? I think it also goes out with integrity and credibility of the person, di ba? Si Vice President Leni Robredo, because the trust rating of some of the NGOs and CSOs in private sectors are so high to a point that they are willing to cooperate, no, and assist the office para yung mga plano at mga programa ng kanyang opisina dati as Vice President ay may ma-implement niya ng maayos.
Sir, has the House Committee on Appropriations discussed this issue and ano po yung general sentiment as of now?
What is
on the reduction? Kasi,
wala pa. Actually,
kasi diba nagsabi
yes,
yung Akbayan and yung Makabayan that they will move to reduce the budget of the OVP to just the PS?
Yes. Well, there was no plenary discussion. No, it was merely a manifestation from each individual houses. Kung nagkaroon lang ng discussion, not necessarily debate, but explaining why there's an increase or there's a proposal to increase, then it could have been, it could have been a perfect reason for each of us, members of the House, to at least arrive to a individual conclusion on whether or not we would support the increase or not. Kaso, wala eh. So, manifestation. So, wala pa talagang pag-uusap. If you're asking me about pag-uusap, whether or not there's already a collective decision to reduce or to approve the additional 200 million. Although nakita natin doon sa plenary na meron talagang nagpo-push ng ma-maintain yung kanyang previous na budget in the GAA of 2025.